Hey guys, I'm Sayan Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I'm the founder of tennisforthekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do it so that you don't miss any of my JavaScript or Python videos. So without any delay, let's get started. So today, I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube in a lesser time than before. So before I did it in 3 minutes 19 seconds. That was not quite bad, but it was not quite good. So now I'll try to solve it in a faster time. Are you excited? Smash the like button. Okay, first let's scramble it. I'm just scrambling it. I don't have any idea what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Scramble, 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 scramble. I'm just doing what is coming into my mind. That is coming into my hand. I'm just doing blah, 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 blah. So, scramble, scramble, more scramble. This is quite a pain killing the scrambling. So I think this is scrambled enough. Do you think this is scrambled enough? I think so. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started to solve this Rubik's Cube. So let me admire it first. Okay. And here's my phone. Here's the timer. And I'm going to start it right now. Okay, so let's we'll look at it. So 3, 2, 1, go. And here. Oh no, I'm missing it. Okay, so this is going good. Oh man, I just spoiled it. Oh shit. Okay, feeling quite bad right now. What should I say? I'm speechless. So let's concentrate on the coding thing. Here it is. Now, okay, so now I'm doing here and here. Wait, this is correct. This is not correct. This is not correct. And this is not correct. So not good. This is correct. This is correct. And this is not correct. And this is not correct. So I'll take the correct. So here it is now. And now I think 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, what? It is just 2 minutes and 18 seconds. So that is the half of the previous video. This is really cool. This is extremely cool. Yes! record, smash that like button. And if you can beat my record, comment down below and I will see how do you beat my record, and then I will try to beat your record. So I think this was quite cool, and now I'm full of attitude. I have solved it. I have done half. So that was 1 minute less than before's time. Not half. It was 1 minute less than before the previous video's time. This is awesome, man. This is awesome. Fully solved Rubik's Cube. Fully solved Rubik's Cube. 2 minutes and 18 seconds. I think this is a really good time. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, do it so that you don't miss any of my JavaScript or Python videos. And this was a really cool record. I'm noting it down. 1 second. Okay, so I'm noting it down. And where's my copy? Copy. Here it is. Here it is. And now I'm noting it down. So here I'm noting down 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Okay, so I have noted it down. Thank you guys. Bye. 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 And if you can beat my record, comment down below.